My name is Travis Mathis. I am a welding instructor at the UTI Austin campus. I always wanted to be an instructor. The problem was I didn't have the passion that went with the instructor. So that kind of got pushed off to the backside, and as soon as I found welding, those two little things connected, and I was like, this is what I'm supposed to be teaching. And so it just kind of rounded it back up, right? I feel we have to be passionate and love what we're teaching and instructing. It's very easy for them to see that we're sincere about it. We're not just trying to get them to do something. So there's that passion and the real world experience that comes in with it. 95% of our time is spent out here in the lab. Since we're a trade, the only way to get better is the hands-on, right? So if we learn something and we learn it incorrectly, we're going to be doing it incorrectly for the remainder of our career. So here at UTI, we like to show you how to do things properly. We send you back, run some beads, you come back, get some in-the-moment feedback, and then you can go back and make those corrections. That's going to be the quickest way to allow our students to really get that input and make progress in a short amount of time. Communication, being somewhere on time, attention to detail, right? All of these things are what separates a welder from a professional. So we like to instill that other part that will make you a well-rounded welder when you get out there and you start your new career. One of my favorite quotes is, if you find something you enjoy doing, you will never work a day in your life. So consider me never working a day in my life. As a parent myself, I think that we want to make sure that our children are successful and happy in what they're doing, right?